Hi everyone, this is James Chen from Maxtact. We are introducing our new magazine for Tokyo Marui, VFC, KJ Work, WE, TP22, AAP01. This is our just released lightweight aluminum Glock magazine. It holds 32 rounds and it is green gas. But we are for now we are presenting a brand new technology and concept, which is that, please here, the power source, air source, no matter it is HPA or CO2, no matter how high the pressure is, it goes through the regulator and it will simulate the green gas. It produces a 12 kg pressure, which is that it won't break the guns. And by the way, because it's going to the regulator, so it is the air inside, it won't affect by big environment, which is that you can operate it under -10, 20, or even goes up to 40 degrees. So I can go in to show you how it works. You don't even see the smoke. That is how our new design is. Thank you very much.